Welcome! Today we will learn how to create a new template and how to send out a document for signature. First, select Templates from the e-signature drop-down. On this screen, you can see all the templates you have previously created. To edit or manipulate your template, simply go to the Actions bar on the right-hand side. To send out a current template for signature, click on Email URL and fill out the necessary information. This will send out the template for signature. To create a new template, click on New. This is your template workspace. It works in the same way that the Forms workspace does. So just like when you're creating a new form, you'll come over here first. You can select your PDF. We're just going to do a blank PDF for today's video. And then you'll want to add any participants for this form. So we're going to add a buyer, and we'll add the seller. For more information on how to create participants, please watch the video on creating participants. If you'd like a new participant, let's call this buyer 4, that you have not yet created, type in the participant name, click on Add, and then select the desired participant color. Go with purple. Please note that you can add levels. These levels will determine the order that the form is sent out for the signatures. After you have added all the desired participants, you can then start adding spaces for signatures and initials. Simply click on the desired participant, then go to your toolbox and click on what it is that you need. So here we'll put a buyer signature as well as the date. And then we will go and add a signature for the seller, and we'll add their initials. Remember, if it doesn't matter which participant fills out the information, check on Unassigned, and then you can add that information. We'll add a checkbox and a date. If this is all you want to do with your template, you can simply save this as a template. Again, you can save these templates in different folders. Then you can choose whether it is public or private. We'll save this as public. If you would like to send out this template at this time for signatures, you'll first want to assign your participants. To assign the participant, this will pull up all your current contacts. Simply click on their email address. So now buyer 1 will be sent to that email. If you would like to add someone who is not in your contacts, simply add their email. Then you'll click on this button, and then you can fill out the rest of the information. When all your participants have been assigned to a contact or an email, you click on this red paper airplane. That template was sent out for a signature.